So I just entered my first trade on AMD here. I actually entered some Lucid shares here. Nvidia broke all-time highs. Well, I'm in my second trade of the day. I'm taking some Amazon. Big ass motherfucking rainbow. Goddamn. Let's just dive right into it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys, man. Gotta play some money making music. Looks like I'm about to be 3 for 3 on the L's. $39 off trading Google, AMD, and Amazon. 3 L's in a row. 187.50s. Good morning, my fellow traders. Time is currently 4:52. We're about to go hit the gym, and somehow I'm like 179 on the scale. Bruh. So we gotta go burn that weight this week. We ate good on the weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend, and we're gonna come right back for the charts. Check this shit out. I got 2 phones in my hand, so just added an extra pound. Bruh. These leaf blower guys are always here every week. I bought some Lucid shares this morning. Back from the gym, and I only lost 2 pounds. So here we are back home. Currently the time is 6:02. We have 28 minutes before the market opens. Let's see what's going on in the pre-market. Let's see what's going on in both discords. Lots of people are asking what's the plays in the free chat, so we got to give them the plays, give them the sauce, and see what's going on. Gotta hit the music app, play some Yeet, then gotta go to the Discord, gotta drop some heat going on with the gang. I gotta log into my Tinker Swim. One day. This is that goodness gracious right here. We got a nice protein drink going on, and 1 minute till the market opens. I already updated both discords. I'll show you guys too. So I'm watching some Nvidia here for a nice either breakdown below the support level. First, it's getting real tight in this little trend right here, a little bit of a pattern, and I would love for a break below and a retest entry on that zone. And if we get a break above, it doesn't really matter. I probably don't plan on taking calls, to be honest. But then I also said Amazon here looks pretty decent, holding on the 4-hour support, but as of right now, as we speak, it's not really doing that. So we'll see what happens with the market. Let's get on about our day. Love that the chat's a little bit active. We got Kevin talking, we got JJ talking this morning, and WBG. So let's fucking get it, guys. So what we got going on the agenda today, before I show you guys how YouTube's doing, because we're freaking blowing up, guys, on YouTube. We're almost at 550. But anyways, we have to go to a dentist appointment at 9 a.m. today, unfortunately. So I will only have about a couple hours to trade, but you guys already know, I'll pull up my phone, see if I see any trades, and I will take a trade if I see something. Right now, I'm not in anything. Nvidia's freaking going crazy right now. Broke that trend. I'll show you guys here in a second too. That shit is literally not even doing no retest. That shit's gone. And then after my dentist appointment last week, since I was detailing the car, I didn't get to finish up my mom's accounting. I didn't get to finish up her receipts and close out the books for that week. So I do have to go in today, it's a Monday, and go make sure that all the receipts are filed with her bookkeeper. And I'm the guy that does all that stuff, pays the bills, checks the receipts, scans them, puts them in perfect documents to make sure everything is recorded nice and neatly so that the IRS never comes for her. But guys, this is Nvidia right here. That shit is just taking off, man. And you guys saw I had like a nice little trend here going on, downtrending. What I love is to connect all the wicks, man. That's how I create my trends. Just literally grab all the wicks. That's how simple it is. Sometimes I see people do this. They be grabbing it like that, and then they do something weird like this. I'm like, bro, what are you doing, man? The fuck is that? Literally just use all the fucking wicks, bro. And I swear to God, that shit will be in just like that. But that shit's gone, guys. I can't even take nothing on that one. The YouTube is doing nice. We're at 546, almost 550, guys. You guys keep killing it. Decent comments on some of my vlogs, so I appreciate you guys. You guys can see you got 1-2 comments on my vlogs, so I appreciate that, guys. These shorts are doing good, and I still haven't posted all of them, so we still got a lot of things to do as far as posting things, and I'll show you guys here on my other account as well. We almost have as much as followers as my main account, which is crazy. Just one away. We have 227, so we started at like 220. I appreciate you guys. 4K accounts reached. That's what's up, man. And so far, I do post all the sauce here, guys, as well, every single time. So we're gonna keep killing it, keep posting, and keep doing what we do, guys. TikTok is also doing nicely, guys. As you guys already know, we got a new follower here today, but we're over at 4,054 subscribers, so let's fucking go. Videos are doing nicely, 500, 800, almost 900, over 200 here, 300, 300, so that's real nice, man. Appreciate that, guys. I appreciate all the love that you guys are giving me. I'm gonna keep dropping sauce for you guys and let you guys know what it is, show you guys the transparency of what it's like to be a day trader, and let's keep on going, guys. And I don't know what it is with me, but I keep dropping my phone and cracking shit. Look at that, guys. That shit is cracked right there. Now the good thing is that this is a case over this camera, so it's really, I can just take this off. It's coming. I have another one coming in today, so I can replace it. But I be dropping my phone hella, guys, and that should be cracking every single time. So here's Google at that retest entry where I mentioned that on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like I would love for a reject here, a little retest entry. Google daily was losing that level, as well as even the weekly candle was looking pretty weak. So here we are retesting that level now. The only thing I don't like is market is decently strong. Some are pushing up here, gaining some support. So I got to be careful on that one. And I also forgot to mention, I actually entered some Lucid shares here. I don't recommend anybody to get in on this with me. This is pure speculation. So you guys can see Lucid is currently at 261 and my average cost, I have 114 shares at 263. I put in $300 here and I'm looking for a long-term play on this one. I'm probably going to add some more. I just wanted to add a little quick entry, get into some, and then I will add some more if I do see a nice dip. But so far, I'll just start with $300. Yesterday, I did do a Sunday vlog, but I'm not going to drop it because I didn't drop no sauce, no knowledge. I didn't give you guys any value in the video. It was just me going early Christmas shopping and bought a whole bunch of Nike outfits for my brother and my dad. There's no point to drop it if there's no sauce or knowledge or anything that you guys can gain from the video. So this week, we are going to drop some sauce, drop some knowledge for you guys as well. And that's the whole point of the weekly, daily uploads of these vlogs. And I freaking gained some pounds over the weekend. I was eating Thai food. I had McDonald's one time at night, and I also ate a tub of ice cream thinking that I was cool. But guys, literally just in those 2 days, I literally basically regained all of what I lost. I lost 8 pounds, now I gained it all back. But this week, I'm gonna be very disciplined. Of course I am. I'm gonna have meals prepped for me, which I already do have one today. I'm gonna make sure I don't overeat and overeat all my calories, because that's what I was doing these past 2 days over the weekend. I didn't think it would really affect me like that, but it really did. That's what I'm talking about, guys. If you guys saw my last couple videos, I said if you overeat and also eat higher than the calorie deficit, especially eating processed food like I was, you're just gonna gain fat. And that's exactly what I did. Now I'm at like freaking 179, 180 just off of eating alone over those 2 weekends when it took me a long time to lose it. So this week we're gonna lose it all again. It's pretty much just because I'm bloated and drink a lot of water. But anyways, guys, let's show you guys those Nike outfits that I got for my brother and my dad. So we went early Christmas shopping and got a couple outfits, to be honest. It goes pretty deep, but yeah, you guys can see here. Lots of Nike outfits, and hopefully they like them, man. Got them sweaters, sweats, everything, man, for this winter coming up. So this is what I'm talking about, man. Freaking 178.4. I gotta lose 8 pounds, which I'll do that very quickly. It's not too hard, to be honest. It's just eating right, making sure you're working out. Nvidia broke all-time highs, 141.09. It hit 141.50. Now, I am looking for a Google entry on some shorts. I just got to make sure market doesn't want to pull up because NVIDIA is trying to do the does it, but SPY and everything else is kind of falling down here as well. I need to enter some Google because this is the retest here. This is officially the retest on Google. I'm just waiting for an actual entry. I want to be patient. I don't want to enter just to enter. I got to make sure it's actually going to go in my favor. Nice. We have 35 people in here. Somebody just joined. Shout out to Pro Trader Yan. What's up, man? Also, we even have Zona that just joined recently too this morning. Appreciate you guys joining in, guys. Let's run up these numbers. So far, I haven't taken a trade yet. It's almost been an hour into the market. It's still 7:38 a.m. and I have yet to take a trade over an hour in the market, but I'm glad I'm not the only one because JJ said I'm following a couple other Discords and a chat room. Nobody doing anything, so good time to go for him. That's what he said. I agree. Not really much has happened. Kind of stuff just chopped around a little bit after we pumped a little bit, so I'm gonna wait for the market to give me a nice setup. So far, I don't see anything, guys. I'm very patient. The thing about me is I'm a very patient trader. I do not take trade setups in the first 15 minutes of market open. I don't take trade setups at the first beginning of open. That's not my style because I notice every single time I usually take a trade setup at open, I usually lose money every single time because it will pump up for a quick second and then do a long wick to the upside and shoot back down, or the opposite. It might pump down really hard and then gain its buyers in. So I don't do that no more. I used to, but now I just let the market do whatever it's gonna do, breathe a little bit, make some moves, and then I enter on a nice retest entry. So that's what I like to do, guys. That's my type of trading style. I like to give the market some time. Maybe I shouldn't even be here right at open, but I still am seeing what the market's doing, seeing how the price action is moving, making sure that the buyers and sellers are either stronger or less stronger than the other ones. So that's what we do, guys. I'm a patient trader. I do not take trades right away. I wait for the trades to come to me, man. Most people will be like, oh, I'm bullish here, start taking calls. I'm bearish here, start taking puts. That's not my type of style, man. If I'm bearish, then I wait for an actual trade setup in my favor, either a break of support and then a retest entry. I don't just take it just because I'm bearish. See, market's falling down right now as we speak, but just because this market's falling down doesn't mean I'm going to take puts right now. I actually have to wait for an actual trade setup to be in my favor for me to take puts. As you guys can see, SPY's falling down, SPX falling down, AMD's drop below this little support level as well. Maybe I can get a retest there. Google or Amazon, sorry, is dropping below the support as well. Maybe I can get a retest there, but that's what I'm talking about, guys. I wait patiently. So it looks like we already got scammers getting to work here. Somebody's trying to impersonate me, send my homie a friend request. So guys, I will never send you a friend request first, ever. And also you can look at my profile. You got to actually follow my profile and make sure you got to pay money to get my profile, man. So you cannot just follow that profile. Think that's me. That's a weak ass profile, man. My shit got some movement to it. My shit got some price action to it. So we got some scammers already trying to get some scamming in the chat. So be careful, guys. So I just entered my first trade on AMD here. Higher time frames look pretty decent as well. It broke below this specific level and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. Actually, here's my entry right here. I got in for $290, just one contract, since, you know, I'm about to head out here real shortly to the dentist, and I'm looking for a breakdown below. So let me set some price targets. Let me set some stop losses. Got to play some yeet to get this money going. Got to play some money making music. I'm a fly soldier. I'm a fly troop. Need to make this money so I can head through. Almost to the first price target, which is 154.15, just 15 cents away. I'm currently up 6%, so it's probably gonna be like a 10% move there, and I still need to shoot for a little bit lower price target, so let me set some more. So I ended up getting stopped out for literally only a $2 loss, guys. Literally just a $2 loss. Let me show you guys my orders. I only bought one of them for, you know, $290, sold it at $288. So I'm glad I can stop out real quick. That's me, guys. I'm a quick stopper outer. I don't be holding for no hope at all whatsoever. I see that big bullish candle, I closed it, guys. So we exited out. I'm not, it's not the best trade, but I am proud of the exit that I got. So not complaining. Gotta head out. It's currently 8:18, 8:16. I gotta go to the dentist now here soon. And I'm still gonna look for more trades, guys, on my phone. I'm gonna be on my phone active. I'm gonna be looking for some stuff, preferably watching the higher time frame, like the hourly, and entering off the hourly in 30 minutes so I don't get faked out. But yeah, guys, gotta head out now. Says I'm gonna get there in 23 minutes and my appointment's at 9. I gotta zoom. So guys, today on the agenda, like I said, we're gonna go get to the dentist. So we're gonna go get a little cap on top of our tooth, which is gonna be like $900. So I'm gonna try to use some insurance for my dad's, see if that will help me out. Not too sure. If not, I'm gonna have to dish out $900. So I literally just been paying as I go. I have no insurance, but my dad just recently told me that I might be able to use his insurance since he works for the state, right? So every single time, so these braces are $6,000, a little bit over. This next appointment that I have coming up today is gonna be a $900 payment. So I'm gonna try to use his insurance, guys, so that it can be like, I don't know, like $300. That's what I'm hoping. So anyways, let's get on about our day, guys. Then we got to go help my mom out, make sure all her accounting and all her receipts is all in the right documents and kept up with their bookkeeper. And then we're just gonna continue on about our day, man. And if I see any trades while I'm out on the road, I'll definitely take them. Unfortunately, Lucid dropped a whole 10 cents, so I'm down $10. So that just means every 10 cents or every even cent move is just $1. So if it drops down 10 cents and it's down $10, if it drops 20 cents and it's down $20, if it pumps up 10 cents and it's up $10. So that's what I gotta know. So we're currently losing that general area. I gotta clean my phone real quick, but we're losing that area where I last hopped in at, but I'm not too worried, guys. We never know what can happen. The lowest it ever hit was 229 ever, all time low. So I'll definitely add some more there if we do drop to that general area. But I'm in some shares, guys. I do not recommend you guys to do this with me as well. And like I said, I'm currently down $2 on this freaking AMD trade, and I'm gonna try to spot some more trades. If I see anything else, I'll take it. I'm a fly soldier. I'm a fly troop. And we made it just on time, guys. Let's go. Hopefully it works. All I have is literally my member ID number, but if not, it's gonna be $900. So time is currently 9:55, and guys, just got done with the dentist. My mouth feels so numb. It feels so weird. We got another appointment scheduled for 2 weeks from now, and then we're gonna come back. And it's currently 9:55. We gotta go help my mom out, go to her mechanic shop, and go knock out some paperwork. So guys, it's currently 10:26. Just arrived here, and I'm gonna do my best to not talk funny over here, but I'm only gonna work for a little bit here and then go home. And hopefully I catch a trade, guys. I still have yet to take a trade. Let me show you guys. I'm still literally have yet to take a single trade, guys. Literally. So the only trade I took was that $2 loss on AMD, and so far I'm looking for some rejections here soon, but I don't see nothing. So I had an alert on SMCI to try to get above these general areas, but as you can see, it's actually rejecting that zone. So that would have been a good short after that long wick to the upside, rejecting that zone. So SMCI is missed. I'm also watching some Google here for some Google shorts, potentially a rejection too. So I'm gonna watch the higher time frames instead, not a lower time frame. I'm gonna watch the higher time frame to not get faked out. SPY's pushing a little bit, so I'm gonna see what's going on with the market. And I'm glad I got out of AMD, because look at, guys, I was in here below this recent low level, and we rocketed. So I'm glad I got out of AMD. Not looking too hot. Tesla's still in this badass fucking range, so I'm not gonna do anything with Tesla. Plus there's earnings this week anyways. And Amazon, I kind of missed Amazon. I bet it's bouncing still. Yeah, it's Amazon on the 4 hour, guys. Look at the 4 hour on Amazon, man. It just keeps holding that level. We already had a hammer in pre-market, and here we are again holding it 90 MA in the open market too. So that one looks good. That one's already gone though. I don't think I should enter here, although it might break recent highs or today's highs. So it could pay, but I'm not gonna take that one. I kind of feel like I'm late. But let's get on the inside over here, and let's go see what we're working on today. Here we is. I'm in my second trade of the day. I'm taking some Amazon 187.50s. Price target 189.50. Stop loss 186.62. And I'm actually down 1%. And I did alert it to the Discord, letting them know what's going on. And I even alerted the first trade in the Discord too. So on the free chat, I'm not doing it in the free chat since it's free. You gotta pay the premium. Man, Google looks good here for some puts, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm already in a trade right now. Currently down like 4%. Bruh. All right, this is the last trade I'm gonna take. I'm in some Google shorts here after I close out of that L. And here's my order so you guys can see.
So you'd be out the door of 1,000.
Looks like I'm about to be 3 for 3 on the L's. Almost coming up to my stop loss. Currently down $35 or $11 on this specific trade, but $35 total. So I might have to sell it here soon because market's gonna close in like 45 minutes and it might just break for a little cup and handle pattern. All right, the time is currently 2:03 and I finished up with everything as far as her receipts and making sure all her documents are in file, and even emailed an insurance company claim and all these other things. So wrap it up, head on home and talk to the Discord, wrap up this vlog too, and see what's going on with the charts for tomorrow, guys. We took 3 freaking L's today. Google, AMD, and Amazon, and $39 off trading Google, AMD, and Amazon. 3 L's in a row. But for taking 3 trades, I'm not complaining, guys. $39 L is not that bad. Came by to my parents' house to grab a package.
Is the box?
It comes with the CD and we fucking got it, guys. It came with the lifestyle shirt. It says lifestyle, but it's signed, guys. It's motherfucking signed. And it comes with a CD, but it's signed, guys. Let me show you. And there is an actual video of Yeet signing this. So of all of them, actually, he's signing all of them individually. So I'm appreciated this. Got tone on it. Oh, it sounds even better on the CD. Big ass motherfucking rainbow. Goddamn. I found the end of the rainbow. It's right here. It's in this motherfucker's car. This motherfucker rich. It's right here, guys. It's hitting me. I'm rich. This is what I use for my protector. You guys see it's clean. So we're back home, guys. Timer is currently 7:17 p.m. and we're gonna do a little recap and show you guys exactly my entries, what had happened, and how much effery this shit is, man. I had some good entries and they even went up around like 7 to 10% on each single trade, but I was holding for a larger price target and it came back to my stop loss. On top of that, guys, I want to let you guys know that we're freaking booming in the Discord, in the free chat. We have 35 people now that has joined and my YouTube is over 550. I'm not going to show you guys since, you know, you guys already seen it in the morning. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. But guys, we're popping now. We're going to soon to be to 600 here real soon. And then the goal is 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate you guys all tuning in and watching and leaving comments. I see you guys' comments. I reply to them as best as I could, as much as I can, and gave a lot of sauce as well. But guys, go on my website, click the link in my bio, and join the free server. We're killing it inside the free Discord. Over 30 people are in it, chatting it up in the mornings, talking about trade ideas, talking about what's going on. But now let's dive into this quick recap and end the vlog here. I hope you guys been enjoying these videos. I'm taking you guys along every single day throughout the week, and even on a Saturday if I'm dropping some sauce, maybe even on a Sunday if I'm dropping some knowledge, sauce, and value for you guys. But let's dive right into this recap. So I decided to share the screen and let's just dive right into it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys, man. So I freaking entered Amazon here off of this nice candle. Higher time frames were looking super solid. Nice retest to this freaking level. Pumps up a nice 7 to 10%. Dips right back down to my stop loss, which was 188.62. Exactly why we got out was because it dipped below, candle closed below inside the zone support. So I just sold out, man. I thought, you know, couldn't hold it enough. Even if hindsight in my favor, it did end up pumping, I would now have been able to hold. Like the chop around there, theta probably would have ate me a little bit too. So I entered here and I exit here, guys. As you guys can see, enter here off this nice hammer candle, long wick to the downside, right on support. It's holding the support level too as well, but then it ends up freaking dipping back down to my stop loss level. So that's Amazon. Now let's go over AMD real quick, guys. I want to zoom through these so I'm not wasting too much of your guys' time. Let's talk about AMD real quick, man. So actually, I had pre-market low marked off right here. Let's just say it was this level. It was really 30.33, but we'll just say this. So I enter Amazon or AMD here on the retest of, I believe it was this candle right here. I see a nice 6%. I alerted to the Discord, let them know too as well, this specific trade, and I even said 6% here or 7% here. But then look what happens. Bounces our pre-market low, pumps up to my stop loss, strong bullish candle. Very glad I got out. Even if I would have held it for just a little bit, maybe sold out 1 to 2% profits. Hindsight in my favor, guys. I just couldn't do it. Look at these long wicks to the downside. Even if I would have held, I would have thought bulls are gonna step in here and they're gonna take control, and they did. They ended up doing it. So I'm glad I got out. Now let's talk about the last one, which was Google, guys. Again, same type of setup, bro. Except it wasn't really necessarily a break and retest strategy, because you guys can see we broke above here, and then here we go again right around here. But this is where I enter. As soon as we get a breakdown, come for re-entry, breakdown, we come back for another re-entry, I'm thinking, okay, it's definitely gonna hold this resistance level and shoot on down. And we did shoot on down for a little bit, but I just had to freaking sell it as soon as we came back up. And I was holding this one for a long time, guys. So I got in here, but I had to sell it here for a loss. Overall, $39 L on the freaking day off of these 3 trades. I'm 3 for 3 on losses off of these 3 trades. Quick recap on them to show you guys exactly the entries, where I got out of them. The trade idea plan that I had in my head basically on Google was just a nice retest down to the downside, breaking this low or breaking this support downwards. I did see a nice gain on it as well, but obviously since I was down off the first 2 trades, I was trying to hold it for some more gains to recover myself, but we just never freaking do. So with that being said, guys, that's the recap here. 3 L's back to back, not that much though. $39, I'll take it. Usually when you take 3 trades, you just end up losing. So 3 L's back to back. Tomorrow is Tuesday, next day is Wednesday, and we're gonna keep on going, guys. We're gonna keep on going, trying to catch some good trades, show you guys the setup, show you guys why I even entered, and we might even add some recaps like this every single time. So hope to see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as well. We're gonna wrap it up here. I am gonna buy a funded account here shortly, so you guys will probably see that in tomorrow's vlog, and we'll talk more about that as well. But until then, stay tuned. We're gonna buy a funded account as well, and also trade that as well as options on the side, just because after 5 p.m. when markets close, 3 p.m. when markets close, I would like to take some trades on the future account and show you guys what it's like as well. I have blown about like 2 accounts on freaking futures because I overtrade. After I take a $203 L on futures, I end up going back in for some more. So it is what it is, man. One time I even traded NQ, loaded up 3 contracts, instant $1,000 gone. So that was trading futures. We're gonna try it again one more time here soon. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Freaking click the link in my bio, join the free server, guys. We're booming on there. Soon it's gonna be 50, soon it's gonna be 100, and then we're gonna have a big community.